I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make iced tea from tea bags. First, gather your essential items: tea bags, fresh water, and a heat-safe pitcher. Next, bring 2 cups of water to a boil, then carefully pour it over your chosen tea bags in the pitcher. Allow the tea to steep for 5 to 10 minutes, depending on how strong you prefer your brew. This initial step is crucial for a flavorful base. Once your tea is steeped, carefully remove the tea bags from the pitcher. Now is the perfect time to add your sweetener of choice, whether it's sugar, honey, or a sugar substitute. Stir the hot tea thoroughly until the sweetener is completely dissolved. To quickly cool down your concentrated tea, add 2 cups of cold water to the pitcher. This helps bring it to a drinkable temperature. Now for the best part, serving your delicious iced tea. Grab your favorite glasses and fill them generously with ice cubes. The more ice, the colder and more refreshing your drink will be. Carefully pour the chilled iced tea from the pitcher over the ice in each glass. For an extra touch of flavor and presentation, consider garnishing with a fresh lemon slice or a sprig of mint. Enjoy your homemade refreshment. If you have any leftover iced tea, simply store it in a covered pitcher in the refrigerator. It will stay fresh and delicious for up to 3 days, ready for you to enjoy whenever you like. Remember, you can always adjust the tea strength or sweetness in future batches to perfectly match your personal preferences. And speaking of staying refreshed, be sure to check the description below for a link to the Owala water bottle and other great deals. Thanks for watching.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.